Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll provide a gift card activation tutorial for beginners, step by step, so you can start using your card quickly and safely. Step 1. Identify your gift card type. Physical gift cards usually require activation at the store, while digital cards are often activated automatically when purchased online. Step 2. Locate your gift card code. For physical cards, scratch off the protective layer on the back to reveal the card number and PIN. For digital cards, check your email or message for the redemption code. Step 3. Go to the official website or app of the gift card issuer. Using the official channels ensures your card is activated securely and avoids scams. Step 4. Sign in to your account if required. Some platforms need an account to link the gift card. If you don't have one, create a new account using a verified email and secure password. Step 5. Enter the gift card details carefully. Input the card number, PIN, or code exactly as shown. Double-check for typos to prevent activation errors. Step 6. Follow the on-screen instructions. Some issuers may request additional verification, like your name, billing zip code, or phone number to complete activation. Step 7. Confirm your card balance. Once activated, check your account or the issuer's platform to make sure the funds are available for use. Step 8. Keep your card and confirmation details safe. This ensures you can use your card for online or in-store purchases without issues. That's it. Following these steps makes gift card activation easy and stress-free for beginners. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more simple and helpful step-by-step guides.